Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to show you are playing Roblox on Discord Mobile. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Discord on your mobile phone, click on the profile on the bottom left right over here, and then click on the gear icon. Sometimes on the older versions, it might be on the top right, but on the newer version, it's on the bottom left, bottom right, sorry. Click on it. Right over here, click on content and social, scroll down, and go to activity sharing. Make sure you go ahead and enable share my activity, as you can see, as this is the settings for showing your apps that you are currently playing Roblox on Discord, or I mean on mobile. Now, if you want to go ahead and do manually on your server, I want to go ahead and show on any server that you want. If you're currently this is your friend servers or your friend group servers, just go ahead and click on it. But I'd recommend clicking on all servers to show them you are playing Roblox. Basically, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.